APN stands for Assessor's Parcel Number. It's used by the county assessor to identify each individual land parcel. In some counties, it's the same as the tax ID. When looking to buy land in the United States, it's important to research all aspects of the property so you can get a good understanding of exactly what you're buying. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the owner of a real estate property using an assessor's parcel number, and also discover other publicly available information about the property so you can be confident in your purchase. First, let's talk about the different local government departments that handle real property transactions. For document recording, including real estate deeds and mineral rights, you'll want to contact the county clerk. You can contact the county assessor, who specializes in assessing the appropriate tax value for the real property. And finally, you'll find the county treasurer, who evaluates and collects property tax. For our purposes today, we're going to be using the Tyler County Appraisal District website. The first step is to find the county the property is located in. For this example, we're going to be looking at a property in Tyler County, Texas. To look up the property, first we need the APN. On this listing, you can see the APN here, along with a lot of other important information about the land. Copy this number for later. Next, we're going to navigate to the Tyler County Assessor's website. On Google, search Tyler County Appraisal District and click on tylercad.net. Once there, click on Property Search at the top. From here, paste the APN we copied from the listing. This page has a lot of important information, specifically the owner of the land, which is us, Elegment LLC. You can also see our mailing address and that we are the sole owners of the property. At Elegment, we only sell properties that we personally own, and you can always double check this information by calling the county assessor or looking up the information online. In some states, such as California, you're limited to the information you can get online. In these cases, it is recommended that you contact the local assessor's office directly via phone or fax to receive the information you're looking for. A majority of counties also have digitized county maps, making them available online to check location, shape, and boundaries of the land you're interested in buying. In most cases, the county assessor will have up-to-date information. However, there are a few scenarios where the information online might be a bit behind. This can happen if a deed has been signed but not yet sent or received by the county for recording. Because the property transfers on the day of signing, there can be a short delay between taking ownership and having ownership recorded in the state system. Another common delay is between county departments. After the deed is recorded with the county clerk, new ownership information is sent to the county assessor. It's common for this to take between 2 weeks to 2 months to have all the departments synchronized with new ownership information. So now you know how to find the owners of the property that you're interested in buying, getting you one step closer to finding the perfect piece of land for your home or vacation escape. But how will you find the best property for your needs? At Elegment Land, we specialize in featuring detailed information about the highest quality land available on the market. We feature all the important information you could want, like floodplain information, terrain details, GPS coordinates, and APN numbers, so you can easily research the property for yourself if you want even more details. You can also find interactive maps of the land, driving directions from your location, and incredible photos and video of the property showcasing all of its features. With new properties coming to market all the time, you won't want to miss your opportunity to find the perfect plot for your family to enjoy.